Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة يونس وقال موسى ربنا إنك آتيت فرعون وملأه زينة وأموالا في الحياة الدنيا ربنا ليضلوا عن سبيلك ربنا اطمس على أموالهم واشدد على قلوبهم فلا يؤمنوا حتى يروا العذاب العليم. Translation: Musa prayed, Our Rabb, indeed you had given to Pharaoh and his chiefs the glamour and wealth in the life of this world. Our Rabb, have you done it that they mislead the people to be strayed from your way? Our Rabb, destroy their wealth and harden their hearts so that they do not believe till they see the painful punishment. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, قَالَ قَدْ أُجِيبَتْ دعوتكما فاستقيما ولا تتبعان سبيل الذين لا يعلمون. Translation: Allah said, Your prayer is accepted, O Musa and Harun. So both of you stand firm by right path and do not follow the way of those who have no knowledge. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had given Pharaoh and his chiefs lots of wealth and the facilities of the world. Allah gave them beauty, gave them health, gave them good conveyance and clothes and luxuries of the world, and their houses were beautiful. They had lots of gold and silver and other wealth of the world. Some of the scholars have said that these things were given to these disobedient people so that they become more arrogant and they use their resources to make other people astray from the straight path as well, and they spend their money and they will realize in the end that their spending and their efforts did not do anything good for them. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator of all goodness and all evil, it means that his creation of the evil has to have hikmah and wisdom. Some of the scholars said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave these people wealth so that they can be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and they spend the wealth for a good cause. However, they decided themselves to be the ungrateful and kafir, and they used these bounties of the word given to them by Allah against the path of Allah, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave them the wealth as a test and they miserably failed the test. When Musa alayhi salam had shown all the miracles to them and when he had given all the ayahs and signs to them and they kept denying and refusing to accept the truth, or some say that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informed Musa alayhi salam with the wahi that they are not going to accept the Islam now, Musa alayhi salam made a dua for them so that the world is free from their filth and they all are destroyed. Hazrat Musa made a prayer that, Oh Allah, make their hearts hardened and destroy their wealth and make their hearts so that they never believe till they see the painful punishment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepted their dua and used the word da'watukuma, meaning dua of both of you. Some scholars have said that Musa alayhi salam was making dua and Harun alayhi salam was saying Ameen. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded them to be steadfast and do not hasten for the punishment for them. Let's pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.